In this video I am going to decorate my model airport fully in the Christmas mood. After which I will speak out some nice words for you. Let's go! And here we have a bag to celebrate Christmas. In here are a bunch of items with which I'm going to decorate my airport to get it fully in the Christmas mood. Starting off, I have these tiny lights. I thought they would work, but they don't seem to be connected via a USB or something. But they do look very colorful and I'm definitely going to give them a nice place on my airport. They are quite lengthy and I think I have more than a meter of these lights. Next in this bag are some small presents. They are very tiny but very detailed and lovely. I think that the presents are about 1 by 1 centimeters in width and height. Up next in this big bag I have some Christmas trees. And they come in different color variations and sizes. This one has some lovely gold on top, whilst this other one is fully covered in snow, which looks very nice. Though I think it's quite a waste of product to put them all apart in plastic. And here we have them all. They are quite big in comparison to the model aircraft, though that's not what I'm really looking for in this video, because building a Christmas tree in the 1:400 scale will just be impossible. So I have a great variation in trees here, which we're all of course going to add to the airport. Next I have this bag in which there are Christmas hats. I think there are about 10 knitted hats. And they are quite big. I think they're about 4 centimeters tall. Though they feel really soft and nice. And I have a few cool places on which I'm going to place them. In this next bag I have some more presents. Though these come in different shape and color variations. And they are the same size as these ones that we already unboxed. In each bag there were 5 different presents. What I really much like is how detailed the top is. It looks lovely. In the second last bag is a small Christmas house. This gingerbread house has a roof fully covered in snow and it looks very detailed and once again very lovely. The texture on the walls is awesome and I am very sure it's gonna look good on the airport. And the final item we have over here. It are some Christmas leaves decorated with some colorful lights. Though these lights don't work once again, I am sure that we can give this leaf a nice place on the airport. So with everything now unboxed, let's go to the model airport and add all of it to it. And with all of the Christmas decoration added, I can say I have a very cozy atmosphere at the airport. And I'd like to take this moment to thank every single one of you, my subscribers, for this awesome year. And of course wish you a very Merry Christmas. In 2024, the channel grew with over 15,000 more subscribers to over 33,000 people enjoying model aviation. I want to thank you for all the support you've given me in the last year. And I hope that in the next year I can give something back to you, in the form of in-depth tutorials about model aviation, giveaways and more. Nobody knows what next year is gonna bring, but I'm 100% sure it's gonna be awesome. Thank you for watching this year to Model Aviation. Enjoy your Christmas celebrations and I will see you in the next video.